Okay, so here's my screen capture I'm setting up. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project in CodeBlocks. So new project. I'm going to start a console application. And the reason that we start this console application is so that the console window pops up so we can print like debug messages to it and stuff. C++. Project title is going to be GL test 2. Next. Finish. Okay. I see here I made a previous one there that we'll just ignore that for now. So I have this main.cpp here. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the default stuff that comes in it. The delete button does nothing. Okay, we have this empty file here, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to... I spent like 2 hours trying to figure out how to record stuff. I want to be able to run the provided example that comes with GLFW, right? So remember, GLFW is just a basically a utility that lets me open up Windows, create OpenGL contexts, right? So it's a utility that we use in conjunction with OpenGL. I'm just going to paste that in this window here. And, you know, obviously if I try to build it right now, okay, GLFW, no such file or directory. Okay, that makes sense. So what I'll do is I'll open up Explorer. I'm going to go to, it's going to be under C drive. There's Ryan, I think it's CodeBlocks projects, then GL test 2 is here. This is my project directory, and you see my main.cpp here, the same as right there. Okay, and so what I need to do is get GLFW into this directory. Now, earlier, I tried to set this up with Eric. It turns out that we downloaded the 64-bit binary for Windows. Even though it was a 64-bit version of Windows, CodeBlocks was trying to generate a 32-bit binary, so we wanted to download this 32-bit Windows binary instead. And if it ever downloads, there we go. Excuse me. Okay, so now we have this GLFW thing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this lib mingw and then this include folder here. So I'm going to copy and paste. So I just copy that and paste it right in my directory there. Mind you, this is just a basic setup, right? We were actually generating like a game, like an actual game engine. I mean, we probably structure this a little bit differently, but this is just for example purposes to show how this is all set up. So let's see, I should be able to go to project, build options. Say go to search directories, compiler, add. We're going to add that include directory so I can get that GLFW directory that we want to include. Okay, so now that should get rid of this error, right? Because we're including GLFW, GLFW3.h, and CodeBlocks is going to search inside this include directory and find GLFW there so it can include this. If we try to compile now, so earlier, Eric, we were getting this GLFW init, undefined reference to error messages, right? And even though that we had the correct path defined, that was because the library was the wrong kind of library. So now we'll go back to project, build options, go to search directories again for the linker, and we're going to add on GL test 2, we're going to add this libmingw for you. Find, basically this is the file that we want right there, libglfw3.a, right? And go to linker settings, and we're going to add some files here. So we're going to add GLFW3. We're going to add GDI32. We're going to add OpenGL32. 3 that you need. Click OK. All right, then we're going to try it again. Put your fingers. Build. That, no warnings. And we run it. Voila, you have a window, right, that's capable of running 3D programs in here. And so, next example, I'll show how to set up a basic, scene on here with like a spinning triangle or something maybe. Okay? That's how you do it.